I was in a hurry to be doing something. And that's what a lot of you are doing. You watch a couple videos, whether it be mine or someone else's, and you think you saw this before, and you go into the chart and you're looking for something that resembles what you think you've learned in one or two videos. And then you push a button, and then you're shocked at the results not being what you expected. That's doing it wrong. My children have messed around in paper trading and demo accounts doing the same thing. It's normal. It's normal. You wanted to be able to sit down, watch a video or two, and then go in there and be able to find something that banks, investment firms, big, huge trading entities are in here running roughshod over everybody with. And you think you're going to watch a couple ICT videos or anybody else's bullshit and walk out there and push a couple buttons, and all of a sudden all this starts falling in your hands and you're rich now? Man, I've never taught that. I've never taught that at all. I have been the largest opponent to that shit than anybody else on YouTube. That's what makes me boring, because I'm not out there being that flashy person and telling you, do this, do that. I'm telling you, be fucking boring. Be boring, get 25 pips a week. 25 pips a week. If you can do that, you can make a lot of money if you're consistent. You can make that whatever you want it to be. But you can still lose your ass aiming for that 25 pips a week. If you are not diligent, if you don't know what you're doing, if you're reckless, if you're a gambler at heart, you'll do that. But if you go through that 2022 mentorship properly once more, and you find consistency, and maybe you get funded, and now you're taking withdrawals from that funded account and you're getting paid. I have students all around the world that are reporting that. They're bringing their receipts, they're showing you on their own social media accounts and sending it to me on my Twitter. Young man went to the number 2 spot on the FTMO leaderboard, 70 grand. That's results, folks. That's not contrived. That's not paper trading. That's to me, that's awesome. I'm thoroughly impressed. Okay. But there's a lot of other folks that get these smaller little victories that just want to stay quiet and private. And they're not obligated to share their fucking experiences with you. Just like I'm not obligated to do shit for you either. But I love doing it. I love it. But I'm not obligated to any of you. And when you start making money and you see these people trolling what you've learned, you're not fucking obligated to share anything with these people. These people are miserable. They're miserable, or they're competitors and they're just getting their asses kicked by what I'm doing, which is both entertaining. But if you go through that 2022 mentorship and you're consistent and you want to increase your understanding, what's the next logical step in learning? Go through the core content. It's a lot. It is a lot. But because you have that model to work with, you'll be able to respect and understand better where those concepts could be plugged in and where others may not even be of any interest to you. You do not, let me underscore this and preface it before I go any further. You do not need core content lessons. That model, I have made now more private mentorship students